So now come to question number 4, exercise 1, phase 6, indefinite integration. Now in this 1 plus 10x upon x plus log x. Observe the question, what is given? This is the question of the type where numerator is a derivative of denominator. We call it under category type f dash x upon fx dx. This type. So what will be the method here? We will take fx is equal to t. Denominator is equal to t. If I differentiate f dash x, dx will become dt. So this integral I will change as dt upon t is equal to log t. Always remember that base will be e. That is why I'm writing natural log ln t. And t is fx plus c definitely. So log of fx plus c will be answer of this. So now same is the approach here. I will consider this denominator. Let x plus log of sec x is equal to t. Remember, base is still e only. Derivative of x, differentiating with respect to x. 1 plus derivative of log is how much? 1 upon sec x. So sec x into derivative of sec x is sec x into 10x into dx is equal to dt. So this will cancel. So from here we will get 1 plus 10x dx is equal to dt. So you can see this numerator part 1 plus 10x dx. This numerator part is how much? Dt. So numerator part is dt. So this integration I, this is I'm considering I, this is equal to 1 plus 10x dx is dt upon t. So this will be equal to na t plus c. You can write either ln or you can write log to the base a. So log e. In this form also I can write sec x. What is t I have taken? X plus t I have taken as x plus log e sec x plus c. This will be answer of this. So this complete this question answer. Thank you.